In this video, I'll show you how to buy Wizz Air ticket online. First of all, you need to go to the wizair.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account. And after we'll sign in, then you need to go to the main page and you need to look at this dashboard. So first of all, you need to choose you want return ticket or not. The return ticket will be automatically selected, but if you want only one way, you need to tick on this one way. So I will show you the return ticket also. Then you need to select where are you flying from. So I will select, for example, Vienna, and I will go to the Kutaisi, Georgia. So when you select the destination, you need to select the date of the departure. For example, the bright colored ones are the dates when there is available flight. So for example, I will choose 12 November, and for the return, I will choose 19th November. Then you need to choose the number of passengers. If you are only one, you can select passenger or one adult and click on start booking button right here. So here are your tickets. You can look at the information right here if everything is correct. Then you need to select the regular price right here. So if you want a basic economy ticket, you can buy it for 46 euros in this case, but you will be available to carry only this free underseat bag, or which size is this. If it will be above this numbers, they will charge you for extra money. But if you have got a baggage, you can select from these two options, for example, Wizz Air Smart 10 kilo trolley bag on board, or Wizz Air Go 20 kilo check-in package. But as you can see, for example, if you choose this Wizz Air Go option, 55 euros will be added to your ticket's basic price. So it will be 100 euro in total. So this is only one way. You need to also select this for the return. So for example, I will choose the basic one for the both tickets. After that, you need to click on continue in the bottom. Now we need to enter the passenger information, the first name, last name, and the gender. It's asking about the baggage. So if you don't need the baggage, you can tick right here, I don't want a checked in bag. And you need to scroll down and you need to choose no free underseat bag is enough for me. Of course, if you don't want the baggage and if you are taking the basic ticket, guys, you can scroll this down and here is your free underseat bag examples. So you can look at this photo right here. Then you need to answer this. Do you need a special assistance? If you don't need it, you can click on no and click continue. After that, you can choose the seat, but if you want to select the seat, it costs extra money. 38 euros will be added for your price if you want to select the seats at the moment, but you can select this one, choose seats later and click on continue. The seat will be automatically selected in online check-in, and the online check-in will be available 24 hours before your flight. Then it's offering some services if you don't need any of this. If you don't need an insurance, you can tick on this no insurance and click on continue. After that, it's asking us to join the Wizz Air discount club. If you're using the Wizz Air flights often, I suggest you to subscribe to their club because there are some nice discounts. But if you don't need it, you can click on no, I don't want to save. Click on this button in the bottom. After that, you need to enter the billing details. Click on edit details or enter the details. After you will enter your billing details, then you need to scroll down and you need to choose your payment option. For example, if you want to pay with your card, you can select card. You need to enter your card information, then you need to tick this and click on pay. And that's all, guys. You will buy tickets on Wizz Air. In this price, the return ticket is also included. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.